Good. That's a lot of slug slime. Currently still editing the beach vlog. It's almost done. I promise, I promise, I promise, I promise, I promise, I promise. It's been like, almost have like this deadline thing. It was like, White Rabbit first, then Bobble, then Roboto. The thing is, I want to finish the Roboto mask more. I guess, like, Bobble has been less of a priority because I have the attitude of that Ainsley's making most of it, or whatever, but only the pants and the tunic. So, it's my job to print the other eyeballs out and make the hammer. Shoes? Apparently, I'm recycling my Peter Pan shoes. I want them to be green, but I don't know what I could do about that. I really don't. But I want to show you the gap that we did. Just entirely filled it with, but it's good, it's stable. I didn't think, hope it doesn't break on me, but it suggested green duct tape, something I still need to wrap around, and I might want to like find like a more curly handle, because this is, I mean, like, again, I can't stress enough that Bobble's hammer is different than Tinkerbell's hammer. Tinkerbell's hammer is a lot shorter, curlier, and I clicked record on the most annoying vocals in the entire world. That's me being fruited by my sister. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that orgasmic. You're just clipping their toenails. I mean, you know. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hammer time is what I'll name this one. Bye.
Never grow up?
Never grow up!